Wellness is a personal, ever-evolving journey. And I really want to emphasize wellness is more than just your physical health. For example, if you take the yogic philosophies, it really examines yourself holistically, you as a whole being. You are not just a physical body, you have a mind, so you have mental health, you have emotions, so emotional health, you have energy, so energetic hygiene, and you're also a spiritual or blissful being, as they say in the yogic tradition, which means how are you feeding yourself spiritually, meaning what is your faith and your values, and are you carving out time for them? So to me, wellness is having that whole pie and just at your best, knowing how to tend to all those parts of yourself. So easy, physical, how are you eating? How are you moving? How are you sleeping? Mental, what thoughts are you noticing that aren't serving you? And there's many techniques like CBT in the psychology realm where you can really monitor your thoughts and work with catastrophic thinking or all or nothing thinking. So there's tools to help with your mental health, right? And then emotional. So are you allowing your emotions to come and go, or are you suppressing them? Because it's believed in the yogic tradition, again, that dis-ease means you're not at ease. And a lot of that comes from emotional repression and not allowing yourself to feel anger, to feel sadness. But then what are we doing about it? So emotional health. And then energetic hygiene to me is super important too, especially if you're sensitive or empathic. Are you taking on other people's energy? Are you doing too much? Is your battery low? So energy is super important, like saying no to things. And then, as I mentioned, tending to your spiritual self, and that looks different to everyone. And then just making time for play and passion and pleasure, which will feed other parts of yourself, like your work life. So wellness, again, is just having that grace and compassion to flow with your energy levels, with what you need, knowing yourself and advocating for yourself.